on YouTube. You gotta say something.
Hi, everybody.
It's been a pleasure.
Good job.
Let's put the weight on. Disaster. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just that. Don't drop it. What are you doing?
It fits okay. We're gonna get it.
Put it under like under it like that.
That's what she said.
It's 800.
Wait. How much is it?
I'll flip it over.
Wait. Okay, it's 800. It's all 800. Let's take his word for it.
200.
1,000. You can put it through your end, you know.
I could.
Oh gosh, I'm scared. It held 1,000. Oh man.
This is only 400.
I think it's 400.
That's only 400.
400, yeah.
He said 8. Didn't he say 8?
No, it's 2 and 2.
Oh.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. I didn't feel like it's that.
400.
Yeah, put it. Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Can we spread it out?
Can we? Like to the yes.
I know what this is.
We can.
How much is that now? 8?
Also,
Yeah. How much is that?
5.
Put it on.
So we'll get rid of some news. She says.
They went kind of fake.
That's what she said. Oh.
Adrian would know about that.
Barely would. Ah, shit.
That's cool. That's cool.
Not really. That's not cool. That's really not cool.
Careful. Slowly. Take your time.
Alright, we're good with that. Alright.
How much is that? The same weight?
5.
9? Okay. Oh, so 1,000. We can make 1,000. Hey. If we add one, think sensibly, man. Jeez. Let's go for 1,000, dude. Yeah. Wait, can't even fit though. Yeah. Gotta put it through this. Put it through like one of these sides and slide it through.
Yeah, the smallest version is less than 10%.
Oh shit, I just broke a piece of the fridge.
Would you break?
Oh, a piece of spaghetti somewhere. I heard it crack.
Oh man, we held 1,000. Made my day. I don't give a damn now. Hey. Oh.
Okay.
Do the small ones, the sides. Like this side and that side. It's not going, okay? You're just seeing things wrong. Yeah.
I don't even want to go on that side
Yeah,
anymore. I'm scared of that side.
You are, dude? Oh,
I
wow.
heard it crack over there too.
Okay, put 2 more on that side too. 1,400. 1,400 so far. It's pretty good for a thin bridge, right? Look.
18.
Yeah.
1800.
Oh.
What are we gonna do here?
Let's go all out.
Hold on, let's get rid of this first. And then
No, yeah. Go for it.
yeah, but there's still time. This is 4. Replace it with 5.
Oh, jeez. Wow. It's crazy.
That's good doing me that.
Yeah.
Is that 19? Yeah, 19.
It's 19. Man.
19, yeah. 19.
How much is this? Okay, let's take out those and then...
Do this and we get 21. 19 and then let's do more.
Uh-huh.
21.
There's the 200 right
And it's still standing. What does that say?
Still standing.
Genius engineer. That's all that says. Do you need help? Like getting out?
You're already at 9.64 ratio.
Let's take it.
Let's put it right here.
Here.
Yeah.
Look, it's not done, okay? It's still working.
Still walk across it.
Okay, leave it. Yeah, and then put this on the other side here.
Yeah,
It's 500.
We'll count it later.
That's 19, right?
Yeah.
19 plus 5 is 24.
Yep, 2400.
That's pretty hot.
Okay, what else do we want to do?
That's two right there. 2600. Your bridge can't do this.
Well, because I can't put it in the middle anymore.
I mean, it broke. What do you want to do?
We can put it on top. I mean, we could do like this.
How much are these? Like 50?
5 and 5, 1,000, 2,000.
That's 24. That's 26, right?
2,000, 2, 4, 6, 8, 28. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 2,000.
That's 28. Hey.
Do this. Want to put them in the middle?
No. Yeah, it's okay.
What was this again?
That's, is
Add
that?
100 to that. 29.
What's that?
Should be 3.
350.
Yeah.
50 school.
350. Hey.
What's the total now?
350.
3,600.
36 now. Yeah. Isn't that hot? Yeah.
3610.
Oh.
Wait, so it's distributing the weight fair game?
I mean, it broke in the middle, so that really wasn't our fault. Our bridge is still standing.
Alright, let's get rid of this one and put another grand in there.
Let's put.
We distribute the weight fees.
Grab all this in there.
This is 2,000.
Yeah.
2,000? We'll go for it. Go for it.
What are you up to, 30?
36.
36.